Making money online is actually not hard. Yes, you heard me right. All you need is just the right information, and believe me, you are actually going to cash out a whole lot of money online. So what's up, beautiful people? Welcome to today's video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be exposing a trading strategy on Binance Exchange which involves buying meme token at a low price, right, and then selling it at a high rate within 24 hours using a small amount of capital. Yes, you heard me right. I will be exposing it trading strategy on Binance Exchange which involves you buying meme tokens at a low price and then selling it at high price within just 24 hours with a little amount of capital. All right, so what we'll be needing in today's video is two platforms, right? Yes, we are going to be using two platforms in today's video. The first platform we are going to be making use of is Bybit, and the second platform is going to be Binance. Yes, so this is for people staying in Nigeria. All right, because the federal government just disabled P2P in Binance and the rest of them. Okay, so I don't want to go into that. So that's the reason why we're making use of two platforms. But any other person staying out of Nigeria or outside Nigeria, you can just make use of only Binance without having any issue. Okay, so we are going to move over to Bybit, right? But before going to this video, I want you to do something for me. I want you to go ahead and click the like button of this video. Yes, I'm talking to you watching this video right now. Go ahead now, click the like button of this video in appreciation of the value you are about to get into this video. Yes, you heard me right. Then if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, I really don't know what you're waiting for. We're about hitting 3,000 subscribers and this is not a coincidence, so they know what they are doing here. Go right now and click on that subscribe button. Yes, smash the subscription button. But hey, after smashing that subscription button, don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you always get notified anytime we upload informative videos just like this one you are watching. So with all this being said and done, guys, let's jump straight into the video. So we are going to be making use of Bybit and Binance. The reason why for Nigerians, the reason why we're making use of Bybit is for you to be able to buy the crypto or the coin we'll be making use of in today's video. All right, in order to trade using Binance. All right, so because in Bybit the P2P market is still enabled in Bybit. Okay, so we are in Bybit already. What we need to do is to click over here, which is the more. Okay, so we need to access the P2P market. So once we click on more, this is the P2P market over here, right? So we just have to click on P2P trading. Why are we clicking on P2P trading? Just for us to buy a coin, because this is where we can be able to access P2P trading. Just click on acknowledge here. This is just a notification. Okay, so click on acknowledge, and then once you are done clicking on the acknowledge, it will bring you over to the P2P market. It's already at the buy session. Okay, so what we need to be buying here is USDT. Yes, so we just have to click over here to filter the merchant we'll be getting the crypto from. All right, so click on filter and then click. That's what I like doing. I just check the toolbox and click on confirm, and then after that I'll just go ahead to choose a merchant and then buy a certain amount of crypto from this particular merchant, and that is it. Okay, so for the sake of this video, we are going to be making use of capital of 60 USDT. Yes, capital of 60 USDT. So let's say we must have choose a particular merchant and then we must have bought USDT worth of 60 USDT, right? So what we are going to do is to transfer our 60 USDT to our Binance account. All right, so we just have to move over to Binance account, okay, and then copy our USDT wallet address from Binance, and then after that you just have to head over to Bybit and then paste it there, send the 60 USDT. So let's say we've sent the 60 USDT and we've already received it in our Binance wallet address and is now sitting in our spot wallet. What we need to be doing, that is the main reason of this video. Okay, so what we have to do in order to start the trading is to go over here and click on gainers. Okay, yes, that is the session we'll be making use of in today's video. So once we click on gainers, you're going to see like up to 6 cryptos here. All right, yes, you're going to see up to meme tokens, 6 main tokens here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then the first one here, you can see for the last 24 hours this has appreciated has increased with the sum of 17.56%, right, in the last 24 hours. When you look at the second one, you are going to discover that it has also increased to 13.31% in the last 24 hours. The third one, the same thing, 12.69% in the last 24 hours, and also this one, 12% in the last 24 hours. All right. So when you look over here, let's check the loser side. Okay. So once you click on the loser side, you are going to see the meme token that didn't do well for the last 24 hours. So this one did not do well, all right, for the last 24 hours. It dropped with minus 6.29%. This one also dropped with minus 5.88%. This also dropped with 5.75%. All right. So but we're not going to be making use of the loser side, so we'll just have to stick to the gainers side, all right, which is over here. So once we click on the gainer side, what we are going to do is to split our 60 USDT. Yes, we're going to split our 60 USDT into 6, meaning we are going to be buying meme token, this particular one. This is AERGO, this is Luna, this is WOO, this is Super, this is COTI, this is GMT. All right, so we are going to split the 60 USDT that we transferred from our Bybit to our Binance account into 6, meaning for this particular meme token we are going to be getting 10 we're going to be buying 10 USDT for this particular main token, this one over here. I don't know if you're understanding what I'm saying. For this second one, we're going to be buying 10 USDT worth of the Luna, then 10 USDT worth of this WOO, 10 USDT worth of this Super. That is what we're going to do. So we're going to split it into 6. All right. Okay. So let's say we want to buy the first one, for example. We just have to click on the first one. All right, so what we're going to do once it has gotten to this part is to click on buy session, which is over here, right? Yes, this is buy session. But when you look over here, you will discover that for the last 24 hours, the all-time low this coin or this meme token has performed was 0.0873, the all-time low. All right, but when you look at the all-time high, you will discover that it has performed for 0.1159. That is the all-time high, all right, for the period of 24 hours. All right, so what we're going to do is to click on the buy session in order to buy this particular meme token. So once you click on the buy session, what you have to do is to click over here to type in the USDT amount you would want to be buying. So remember I said we're going to divide our USDT, our 60 USDT into 6. Okay, so we'll be buying 10 USDT worth of each meme token. So once you click or type in the amount of USDT you would want to be using to buy the particular meme token, which is the AERGO, all right, so you have to go ahead and click over here that says buy, and then you are going to purchase that particular meme token. So the same thing is applicable to every other meme token. All right, so you just have to come down to the second one and do the same thing. Click on that and then buy 10 USDT by clicking on the buy. That is the same thing you are going to do for every single one of them. There are up to 6 in numbers. All right, so you have to buy 10 USDT worth of each meme token. So let's say you've done buying the 10 USDT worth of any single token that you want. The next thing you have to do is to wait for the period of 24 hours. All right, so once you are done waiting for the period of 24 hours and it's about time for you to sell, all you have to do is to come back to the gainer side. All right, click on that particular main token that you bought and then go ahead right here and click on sell. All right, yes, so click on sell. So once you click on sell, you are going to see how much it has appreciated. So you just have to over here type in the amount you would want to withdraw. Okay, so after typing it, go ahead and click over here. If I've gotten to this extent, I want to say congratulations, and I want to remind you, if you're yet to like or click the like button of this video, go ahead now, smash the like button of this video in appreciation of the value you are getting in today's video. And if you're yet to join this beautiful family, I still don't know what you're waiting for. It's not going to take extra data from you. Okay, so just go ahead, smash that subscription button. Yes, just destroy the subscription button, but don't forget to turn on the bell notification so so you always get notified anytime we upload informative videos just like this one. And remember guys, we have a WhatsApp group, and I will be leaving the link in the description of this video and also in the comment section. Right, what we'll do in this WhatsApp group is to upload various information, strategies and methods you can be able to earn a lot of money for yourself online, which most of the times I don't even bring it up here on YouTube. All right, so do what to use the link I'll be giving in the description of this video and also in the comment section to join this WhatsApp group. So let's continue guys. So you just have to type in the amount you would want to withdraw, then click on sell, and then boom, it will go back to your USDT spot wallet. All right, so that is how you can be able to engage in this particular trade and make a lot of money for yourself using a little capital, as little as 60 USDT. All right, so this is what I have for us in today's video. If you want to see more ways you can be able to earn money online, I'll be linking the video on the screen right now, so do it to click on that video and then see more ways you can be able to make a lot of money for yourself online. So I want to say something. This is actually not a financial advice. All right, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence, make your own research. Do not do anything based on what I said. Okay, you just have to also do your own research. All right, remember, it's not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Making money online is one thing and not losing money online is still another thing. All right, so guys, this is where I'm going to draw the curtain for the day. Keep winning and always have it in mind that Leo loves you. Click on the like button, subscribe to this channel, join our family by clicking on that link to join our WhatsApp group. Until next time I see you again, comrades, bye.